the course is wonderful. It's sort of a paradigm shift, and I think that anyone who's doing any amount of bone grafting, soft tissue work, implant dentistry for any length of time would identify with some of these common problems that we've seen from time to time. We've seen a failed implant come into our office and we've explanted it, and we see the graft particles that haven't turned over. So I think we all kind of know that there's an issue there. And what happens in dentistry is a lot as we go to these conferences, everybody shows their best case, and then everyone in the audience thinks, oh man, well, not all mine look like that, or I'm doing something wrong, because the speakers don't ever let on. Dr. Zastrow shows complications in his surgeries. He shows things he did wrong. He tells you this is what I would do different, but this is how you fix it. I think that's really rare. He's taken the ego out of it.